INICT November 2025 recall. Subject FMT. Question number 1. A man derives sexual gratification by touching inanimate objects such as female undergarment, which is diagnosis. A. Fetishism. B. Frotteurism. C. Voyeurism. D. Exhibitionism. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है A. Fetishism. Question number 2. In autopsy examination, forensic expert found blisters with sodding with clear line of demarcation over lower limbs and thigh. What is this? A. Chemical burn. B. Dry burn. C. Lightning. D. Moist burn. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है D. Moist burn. Question number 3. In autopsy examination of a case of hanging showing dribbling of saliva, ligature mark, right eye is opened and pupil is dilated. This finding is due to compression of the following structure: A. Vagus nerve. B. Aorta. C. Internal jugular vein. D. Cervical sympathetic chain. The correct answer is D. Cervical sympathetic chain. Question number 4. A patient was experiencing delusion of persecution and killed a person he believed was trying to harm him. He was later diagnosed with schizophrenia. According to the McNaughton rules, which of the following is correct regarding his criminal liability? Option A. The patient is not criminally liable. B. The patient is exempt from trial. C. The patient's liability depends on provocation. D. The patient's liability depends on intent reframe. The correct answer is A. The patient is not criminally liable. Question number 5. Which of the following test is not used for the detection of seminal stains? Acid phosphatase test, B. Fluorescence test, C. Barberio's test, D. Rinse test. इसका correct answer है D. Rinse test. Question number 6. Match the drug with its primary effect. इसका correct answer है A. Question number 7. A girl is found dead in a bathroom. On examination, cherry red hypostasis is noted. Her parents report a geyser malfunction and poor ventilation in the bathroom. What is the most likely cause of death? A. Carbon monoxide. B. OP. C. Nitrates or methane. D. Hydrogen sulfide. Correct answer is A. Carbon monoxide. Question number 8. Match the poison with its specific antidote or treatment. इसका आंसर है A. Question number 9. An 18-year-old woman reports sexual assault by a 24-year-old co-worker at her workplace. Her mother does not want to involve the police or legal case. What is the appropriate course of action for a healthcare provider? Option A. Take consent from the mother and proceed with examination. B. Take consent directly from the woman and proceed with examination. C. Document informed refusal from parents. D. Don't inform the police. The correct answer is B. Take consent directly from the woman and proceed with examination. Question number 10. A case arises where there is a dispute about a boy's age. The police claim he is 19 years old, while others claim he is 17 years old. Which radiological examinations are most appropriate for age estimation for greater than 18 years? A. Medial clavicle and sacrum X-rays. B. Skull and sternum X-rays. C. Skull, sternum and sacrum X-rays. D. Wrist with hand and medial clavicle pelvis X-rays. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है D. Question number 11. The characteristic crocodile burns pattern seen in the image is most commonly associated with A. Electrical injury, high voltage. B. Mummification. C. Adipocere formation. D. Coagulation burns. इसका सही आंसर है A. Electrical injury.